Stella, he doesn't need your help. Bust it, buddy. Stella, stop. He didn't ask you to dance with him. Here, Stella. Oh, do it. I know, tell her. Do it, Bruno Jr. I do. Stella, you're not invited. Stella, play with the dog toy. Thank you. I'm filming Isaac's debut. Oh, do it, brother. Can you do that booty shake for me? Oh, yeah. Let me see your face when you're dancing, please. Oh, yeah. Say goodbye to your audience.